Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, 5 people are standing. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The puzzle is to move all 5 of them from one side of the river to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. Let's see the rules. It says that 5 people want to get to the other side of a river, but each of them dislikes their immediate neighbors. The first person dislikes the second and the fifth. See, the immediate neighbors of the first person, according to the numbers, are the second and fifth. So the first person dislikes them both. Similarly, the second person dislikes the first and third. The third person dislikes the second and the fourth. The fourth person dislikes the third and the fifth. And the fifth one dislikes the first and the fourth. Okay. Now, the rule number 1 says that the raft can hold a maximum of 2 people. And rule number 2 says that, if 2 people dislike each other, they refuse to be either on the raft together or on the same bank together without any other person. For example, person number 1 dislikes person 2 and 5. So 1 and 2, or 1 and 5, cannot be together on the wooden raft, or cannot be together on any riverbank alone. Okay. So let's solve this puzzle. Before moving ahead, pause this video and try to solve this puzzle on your own using pen and paper, and later, play the video and see if your answer is correct or not. Let's start. First, person number 1 and 3 will go together. Since they are not immediate neighbors, there is no problem with them traveling together. Number 3 will come back. Now, person number 2 and 4 will go together. Number 1 will come back. Now, person number 3 and 5 will go together. Number 3 will come back. And finally, person 1 and 3 will go to the other side. And bingo! We have solved this puzzle. Thanks for watching.